Hey everyone, welcome back to our medicinal plant series and welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're exploring the powerful world of cat's claw. This ancient vine from the Amazon rainforest has been used for centuries to support the immune system and combat inflammation. Let's start with some fascinating facts about cat's claw. Native to the Amazon rainforest and other tropical areas of Central and South America, cat's claw is a woody vine that can grow up to 100 feet tall. The name cat's claw comes from the plant's distinctive thorns, which resemble a cat's claw and help it climb through the dense jungle canopy. Traditionally, the indigenous peoples of Peru have used cat's claw for a wide range of ailments from digestive issues to inflammation. In modern times, it's gained popularity worldwide for its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Cat's claw is celebrated for its potent medicinal properties, particularly its ability to support the immune system and reduce inflammation. The bark and root of the vine are rich in alkaloids, glycosides, and other bioactive compounds that contribute to its health benefits. These compounds have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral effects, making cat's claw a powerful ally for fighting infections, reducing pain and swelling, protecting the body from oxidative stress. It's also known for its potential to support joint health and improve digestive function. Let's dive into the science behind cat's claw. The primary active compounds in cat's claw include oxidoalkaloids, which are believed to enhance the immune system by increasing the activity of white blood cells and boosting the body's ability to fight off infections. Cat's claw also contains quinovic acid glycosides, which have shown anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties in studies. These compounds help reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis and may even help in the management of chronic inflammatory diseases. Additionally, cat's claw has been studied for its potential to protect DNA from damage, suggesting it may have anti-cancer properties. Cat's claw offers a wide range of health benefits, particularly for the immune system and inflammatory conditions. It's best known for its ability to boost immune function, making it a great natural remedy for fighting off colds, flu, and other infections. Cat's claw anti-inflammatory properties also make it effective in reducing pain and swelling in conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Additionally, it has been used to support digestive health, particularly in managing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease. Some studies even suggest that cat's claw may help protect the cardiovascular system and support cognitive health. Incorporating cat's claw into your daily routine is simple and beneficial. You can find cat's claw in various forms, including capsules, tinctures, teas, and extracts. Cat's claw tea is a popular way to enjoy its immune-boosting benefits. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried cat's claw bark in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Tinctures and extracts offer a more concentrated dose of cat's claw's active compounds that can be taken in small amounts throughout the day. For those with inflammatory conditions, cat's claw supplements in capsule form may provide more targeted relief. If you're looking to support joint health or manage chronic inflammation, consider taking cat's claw supplements regularly, but always consult your healthcare provider for appropriate dosage. While cat's claw is generally safe for most people, there are some precautions to keep in mind. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or trying to conceive, it's best to avoid cat's claw as it may stimulate the uterus and increase the risk of miscarriage. Additionally, because cat's claw can stimulate the immune system, it should be used with caution by individuals with autoimmune diseases or those taking immunosuppressant medications. If you're on blood pressure or blood thinning medications, consult your healthcare provider before using cat's claw, as it may interact with these drugs. When purchasing cat's claw, whether as a dried bark, capsules, or extracts, quality is essential. Look for organic, sustainably harvested cat's claw that is free from pesticides and additives. The dried bark should have a strong earthy aroma and be free from any mold or discoloration. If you're buying cat's claw supplements, choose products to contain a specific percentage of active compounds like oxidoalkaloids. Always buy from reputable brands that provide transparency about their sourcing and pressing methods. Ensure you're getting a high quality product. Cat's claw is a powerful herb with a rich history of supporting immune function and reducing inflammation. Whether you're using it to fight off infections, manage joint pain, or support overall health, cat's claw is a versatile and beneficial addition to your wellness routine. Thanks for joining us on this episode of our medicinal plant series. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the plants that keep us healthy and vibrant.